in the cold night, with his camera tight, whispers in wind's flight, chasing the twilight. Snowflakes kiss the ground, birds make a haunting sound, circling all around. Magic he has found. In the sky he sees patterns in the breeze, whispers in the trees, starlings' mysteries. Evening glow, silent steps echo, feathers drift like snow as the shadows grow. Heartbeats with their wings, hushed tones and soft strings, secrets that night brings,